Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
No, only time I know the man now water. Oh, na boy put na-ekwu ndị man say, oh, look at him on our office. He no dress well. They always they talk anyhow. But you see that anyhow we always they talk. It's anyhow that you're supposed to listen to and all the yere gaka. That is one about important. At the end of the day, you will at the end of the day you ended in every single thing we have been telling you. You see, I made a video almost 3 days ago. I was telling people about the Biafran government being in charge of Southeast. A lot of people was argue. A lot of people was, oh, you don't know what to say. A lot of people was like, oh, you are talking nonsense. And I said that until you people understand that the Southeast as a whole, as Southeast concerned, Biafran government is now in charge. And then the time begin to understand this particular thing, it's going to help you in so many ways. A lot of people ignore it. But today I want to ask you, what have you been seeing past 3 days? How is everything happening? How is everything going on? How is things? What have you been seeing? And concerning your election and other stuff, what have you seen? Because whenever you understand this message that we are passing, we always get it better. Understand that Biafran government is now in charge of Southeast Nigeria. This is one thing I want to say. And then the time you understand this particular thing, you will get it better. But as long as you keep on ignoring the Biafran government, you always get it how you want it. Because the real truth is that Biafran government have taken it upon themselves. They have taken control of all the territory, all the old East, Biafra Southeast, as you people call it, Nigeria or whatever. Biafran has taken over in charge. And they are now in control, in charge of every single thing. And that's the reason why even the Nigeria government, they sit at home. Even the so-called those who give you, oh, do this, do that, they're listening to the even Biafran government. So you, there's so much ignorant of what you see. There's so much ignorant of what you hear. My brothers and sisters, time a route you use your brain. That Biafran government is in charge of Biafra land. That Biafran government is in charge of Southeast Nigeria is one thing you need to understand. And the only time you start understanding this and start abiding on the command of Biafran government, my brother, it will be better for every one of you people. But as long as you keep on ignoring Biafran government, that is how every blessed day your problem will be increasing. As far as it's concerned, as far as Southeast Nigeria concerned. Because those who tell you, oh, we give you security, oh, security is in tight, them also as well is running. Them also as well is nowhere to be found. And they will be using you, oh, everything will be fine. They will keep on using you, and you keep on seeing the worst. So one thing I want you to understand, or one thing I bring this very morning, is that understand that Biafran government is in charge of Southeast Nigeria. This is the message I bring for you. Of course, most of you people, we have been saying it, all of you keep on ignoring, and we will keep on saying this. Understand that Biafran government is in charge of Biafra territory. It's going to help you. You see, anything that you are going to, I'm telling you for your own good, the thing that is going to help you. All of you people that is having something that you claim, it's high time you start looking up to Biafran government. It's high time you start looking up to Biafran government and start searching on how to start doing, start imagining your business and other things with Biafran government. All I am saying is what is going to help you. It's going to help you. But when you keep on ignoring this, my brother, but one thing I want you to understand, as far as Southeast Nigeria concerned today, Biafran government is in charge and they are in control. So you that have anything to do with any government, start seeking for Biafran government. When you feel like, oh, you have something to do with any government of anything, then it's high time you start looking up to Biafran government. Because they are the one in charge now. And as soon as you start working with, or as soon as you start approaching Biafran government, is earlier it will be better for you. But as long as you keep on showcasing your, how do I say it? You keep on doing gallivanting and being ignorant of Biafran government, that is how you keep on getting problems. Because this particular one I'm saying is something that all of people must understand. You should know this. And everything happening in Southeast today, you should use your brain apply your wisdom and see, because sometimes they say a reasonable human being use what he or she sees and act upon it, because what you have heard and see is enough for you to use it and learn. There's no more time for you keep on. There's no more time for all this ignoring Biafran government. When they tell Biafran, when you say, oh, Simon Ekman is boy. When they say Biafran, you say, oh, autopilot and my brother. It's high time you need to begin to channel all those your energy of one Nigeria, all those your energy of you are doing this, government of this. Whenever I want to contact any government, look for Biafran government, because I've seen it. There's no more what they call it, Nigeria government in Southeast. They are no more, and they are not working. There's nothing about them that is happening anymore in Biafran government, in Biafra land. So the reason why I'm saying this is that Southeast as a whole, the old Southeast, Biafran government is in charge. And anything you want to do is the high time you start acting upon Biafran government. It's the high time you start looking up to Biafran government. Because as long as you keep on looking up to only one Nigeria and other things, you will keep on getting problem. Because those who own the land is now in charge. And then when you go to their land, who is supposed to speak to those who get the land, then you begin to talk to those who let me say foreigners. You begin to look up to them. And the owner of the land, why they are there. And you keep on looking to the foreigners. So one thing I want you to understand, I'm not even here, I always like to say it so that you will see me saying it. I would have just write it down, but our people sometimes want to see it or want to listen to it. So, Biko, you will find it some idiot is talking somewhere. Oh, I don't talk for long until today. And every single thing, no more you could go Bastari, Biafra, all my suggestion, is always coming to pass, one after the other, one after the other. And that's the reason why I keep on telling you, because every single thing that comes out, there's a reason for it. Now we are no more saying this, or Galafant, this one will come, this one will come. Now we are actually saying it. For most of you people who don't believe or who keep on ignoring Biafran government, this is your time. Channel your energy to Biafran government, and it will be better for you. God bless every one of us. I'm not here to even make it or to say much. I just want you to understand that Biafran government is in charge. And when you look around yourself, look around what is going on, you yourself, you actually know that Biafran government is in charge. So understand this and make use of it, because it's going to help you. But as long as you keep on ignoring Biafran government, the more you keep on getting problem. God bless every one of us. God bless all the Biafran government in exile. All Biafran government in support. Biafran government in Biafra land, and all the Biafran resistance army and the supporters. God bless every one of you people. I want every one of us to understand that Southeast Nigeria is no more. Biafran government is now in charge. Anything you want to do from now on in terms of involving government, look up to Biafran government. Anything, I mean, this is just like every most of you people that is in Biafra land doing your businesses. It's just like you are doing businesses in Biafra land. It's just like it's a high time you need to start contacting the Biafran government. In anything you want to be doing right now, that you want to involve any government, it's a high time you need to start contacting Biafran government. Ask question, they will show you procedure. Because most of you people that will start now, it's going to help you a lot. I'm telling you people, those of you that will start working with or that will start involving yourself with Biafran government now, it's going to help you a lot later. Now that we are telling you, all of you ignore it. And those who will later come or who will later come later, they will understand what we are saying today. For you who want to, anything you are doing right now, which you want to involve government, look for Biafran government. Ask how to go about it. Because the land has been taken by Biafran government and they are now in charge. The territory of Biafra as a whole. So if you need to anything they make it involve Biafran government, let them be away. So this they will even protect you. Some of people don't understand what we are saying. Involve Biafran government to protect you. It's not maybe when you want to involve yourself or speak or let me say do anything with the Biafran government, you will come and shout online. I'm not. Look, talk to Biafran government because they are going to protect you, help you. Nobody is trying to do something or to stay you. This thing we are telling you today, you are in Nigeria, even after you spending your millions, they will still deal with you. So why not involve yourself with the Biafran government, contact them, let them know, speak to them, and they will protect you to the last drop of whatever. It's a high time you start looking for Biafran government. Let them help you. For most of you people who is shouting, hey, our businesses, oh, our this, our that, look for Biafran government to do what? To help you. Because some of you people are shouting, oh, because of our business, we don't want to travel. Because of our business, we don't want to move. Because of this, we don't want to do that. It's a high time we look for the government of Biafra who will actually enforce and take care of your life and your property. Because here, what we are saying right now, most of you people, you know, whenever I'm saying something, most of people find it, oh, we know him, he talk nonsense always. But most of the things I'm always saying, it be something that at the end of the day, you will find it being so meaningful, being so mean to you, to your life particularly. And every single thing that you see me, oh, this stupid guy, every single thing I always take is always meaningful to you people's life. It's always helpful to most of you people in Biafra land. And that's the reason why I always keep on telling you. The thing I'll come and tell you right now, you might find it so annoying and so like, oh, what is it trying to say? But at the end of the day, if a wisdom person, you apply it, you work towards it, it's going to help you. Because right now I'm saying that if you are doing business and you want it, you have to contact Biafran government for your life and your property. It's just like signing shoti with, like just the way you do with the Nigerian government. You have a contact with them, you do business with them. This is the high time. Look up to Biafran government, sign to them, because they can't. You see, let me tell you one thing that you people don't know. You see, we are talking about Biafra as a nation, and most of people feel like, oh, what are you talking about? Biafra will not do this, Biafra will not do that. So you don't know that Biafra have come. You don't know, eh? So most of you don't even know that Biafra have come, eh? That is the reason why you keep on ignoring it. Whenever we are telling you what we are telling you, you don't care, because you don't even know your left and right. Because they say wisdom man, you should have looked up to everything that is happening today. Watch it and see what is going on. If Biafra no come, or if Biafra no come here, tell us. Then if you don't have eye or you don't have ear, tell us. Okay, you are not seeing the Biafra. Then we will let you know what is supposed to do. So stop ignoring Biafran government. It's a high time you need to do what? Link up with the Biafran government, ask questions, and they will take you through. Because the engineer because of your life and your property. Let Biafran government, you know, like just like those who do insurance and stuff. Sign into Biafran government and start contacting Biafran government in your businesses. It will help you a lot. It's going to save a lot. I mean, for most of you people who is now crying for businesses, this is the reason you jump around because of your business. You shout around because of your businesses. You say they will collapse your business, this and that. And that's the reason why most of you people are even your property are being destroyed more. Because those who actually speak for you, those who actually go for you when it is needed for them to go for you, you ignore them. Those who actually speak for you when it's needed, you ignore them. We are talking about Biafran government, all of you people, you keep on ignoring it. You say, oh, Biafran government, this, you keep on calling them names. What about what is going on today? For most of you who keep on, Biafra this, oh, Biafra is not this, Biafra is not that. One day, this particular time I'm saying is for most of you who name a business. One day for your property and your life. One day is the high time you need to speak to Biafran government. Let them take care of your life and your property. Start looking up to Biafran government. And stop looking up to these people that never have anything for you. Because Biafran government have come to stay. So it's the high time, if you want to have anything with any sign up or with anything Biafra, it's even better for you. Start asking questions about Biafran government. Let them help you. Because the high time you need to look up, you need to ask questions. Instead of you being arrogant or ignoring Biafran government whenever they say, instead of you doing that, start beginning to ask questions. And a lot you don't even know, you will start seeing it. And yourself, you actually know that Biafra have come. Because when most of us are telling you Biafra have come, you don't believe it. So the best thing you need to do is to start asking questions that is going to help you. That your question that is going to open up more things that you need to know. Because you're arrogant of many things now, you are ignorant of it. Biafra, they say when they say Biafra have come, you say, oh, when they say this, are you not seeing what is going on? Are you still waiting to be told that Biafra has come when you see what is going on today? Are you not seeing it? So my advice to you is that it's a high time whenever I want to look up to any government and you are in Southeast, it's a high time you start looking up to Biafran government. It's a high time you start looking up to them, start calling on them. When there is a situation, you need to start looking up to them. Because the Biafran government have come to stay. So look up to them. If you have questions, it's the high time you ask. If anything is needed, it's the high time you need to say, Biafran government, this is supposed to be done. You need to, you people should be asking them. You people should be talk to them. Instead of you going to say, oh, Nigeria no build the road. Ask Biafran government, say, now we need our road. Ask Biafran government, say, you people should start, even, oh, you people don't understand. We are talking about Biafran government. It's the high time you need to let them know, okay, Biafran government, you have come to say, now we want you people, begin to speak, we begin to ask a lot of questions. Let them help you. Start looking up to Biafran government and stop looking up to these people. They have nothing for you. They are no more active in Biafra land anymore. Biafran government have successfully taken control and they are successfully doing their job. And today, you say Biafran have not come. Biafran army is on the street. You say Biafran have not come. Biafran everything. Biafran even Air Force. What else do you people want? Like sometimes it shocks me self when I'm seeing people still being ignorant or ignoring Biafra as a government of the nation or as a government of, let me say as a matter of that, as Southeast as a whole. You keep on ignoring them. Why the Biafran government we talk about today? Even those who come to kill yourself, when they hear Biafran government, they give you way. Most of people don't even know what Biafra, when they hear, you don't even know what Biafran government have been able to achieve for you. You don't even know what Biafran government have been able to do for your life. Because most of people don't know. And as a Southeast concerned today, a lot of things would have been happening to most of you people in Biafran land. But because of Biafran government, all of you people don't even know how Biafran government have preserved you, how Biafran government have been able to take care of your life and your property. Most of you people don't know. And that's the reason why I'm saying this. Stop ignoring Biafran government. Instead of you ignoring Biafran government, begin to ask questions. It's not that whenever I want to do anything with Biafran government, you come and shout it on air. Begin to ask questions. Let Biafran government help you keep your life and your property. Let them begin. It's a time you need to begin to sign contract with Biafran government. Instead of going to sign all these things, you go and sign with Nigeria, the government of this government. At the end of the day, you ended miserable. Why not go to Biafran government? Because you need to ask questions. When you ask questions, the answer will be given to you. Instead of you being ignorant or instead of you ignoring what you're supposed to know. Instead of you being so much, they are talking about Simon Ekpa and his book. Ask questions for your own good. Because it's so much painful that those who actually preserve you, those who actually stand for you, even when you are sleeping, they are still walking around bush. Even when you are still sleeping, they are still walking around the street. Even when you are sleeping, they are still moving around, protecting you. But most of you people don't understand what it means. So if these people can be able to protect your life and your property from the killer, why not begin to ask questions? The Biafran government, ask questions and your question will be answered. Instead of you being starting your business with Nigeria, this, why not? You know why I'm saying this? Because those of people who will start helping yourself in time, there will be a time you will be like, oh, thank God. And most of you who is still gallivanting Nigeria, all of you is going to see the end. Because this is advice to you. As you are in Nigeria, especially most of you with business, the estaters, those who have estates, those who have businesses, with the high time you need to begin to sign your contract, begin to call on Biafran government for your good, my people, for your better, for life and property safe. Because trust me, by the time you start working with Biafran government instead of Nigeria, it's going to help you. By the time you start pushing your business with Biafran government, it's going to help you. I'm telling you truth. But as long as you keep on shouting Nigeria, you will keep on getting problem. Let Biafran government save you, guide you, which they have been doing from day one. Because I said, if you Biafran army, I want to ask you people a question. Do you people know what it means for a government of Biafra to take care of your life and your property? You people don't know what it means. Do you people even know how Biafran government have preserved you? As of today, we are talking about, as of today, now this is November, as of today, without Biafran government, a lot would have been happening to all you people. But today, you can travel, today, you can do whatever you want to do, today, you can do it. What is the reason why? Because Biafran government have put a lot of things in a place that most of people don't even know. A lot of you don't even know many things that Biafran government have been able to put in a place for you people. But instead of that, you keep on ignoring them. When they talk about Biafran government, you say, oh, Simon Ekpa and his boys. When they talk about Biafran government, you say, oh, Simon Ekpa and autopilot. And those people who have nothing to offer for you, they keep on deceiving you. They keep on giving you stories. When Biafran government issue a comment or say anything, you will say, oh, it be Simon Ekpa and his boys. But all of you people don't even know what the Biafran government has been able to do for you. They have been able to achieve a lot. For so many of people who don't maybe you come and I said, begin to ask questions. Instead of you people to call in, oh, Nigeria, it's time to start calling Biafra government. And let them start doing something for let me say for your local governments and stuff. It's a high time begin to look up to Biafran government. Stop looking up to Nigerian government. They have nothing to offer you. This is what I'm telling you. And this thing I'm telling you right now is going to help most of few people. Stop looking up to Nigerian government. Nigeria is no more active in Biafra land. All of you people have seen it. Or are you not seeing what is going on today? They say, God, we are gallivanting for election. Are you not seeing it? You hope push on the man. Are you Biafrans? Stop ignoring Biafran government. Biafran government have a lot for you people. They budget how to develop your land. They budget how to put up everything in a place. Has been imagined. I mean, it's not like the Biafran government is coming today to tell you, we are calling on the Biafran government is not calling upon you to come and help them. How to develop your land that most of you people are ignorant of Biafran. They have a budget it. How to develop your land, how to build road for you, how to give you hospital, how to give you best school. Biafran government have budgeted. The only thing that left right now is to just mount Biafran flag. And in the time that thing comes, then all of you people that is waiting for Biafran government, you will be in shame. This is why I'm saying this is that understand that Biafran government have come to stay. Everything that you needed have put in a place. How to develop your land have been in a place. How to develop Biafra land have been in a place. Imagine have you asked yourself how Biafran government have been formed? Have you asked yourself how Biafran government have been able to achieve what they have achieved today? Have you asked yourself how they be able to do all those things? And the most painful part of it is that Biafran government is not even asking you for money. What Biafran government is saying is that look up to them, ask questions whenever you don't understand. Ask them questions that need to be asked. If you want to, okay, my business, this, if you call on Biafran government, instead of all this Nigeria government of this, you will be protected. Your business will be protected. Your life will be protected. Because this is what Biafran government is actually fighting for. Your life and your property. They want you to live. But you people that they are fighting for you to live, you keep on ignoring those who is fighting for you. Those who say you must live, you hate them. Those who is supposed to say, okay, it should be like this, you hate them because they say, oh, you keep on jumping around one Nigerian stuff. And you keep on getting problem when jumping around with the enemies. One thing I want you to understand today is that Biafran government has put everything in place. It is not today that we are coming out to say, we are here by... Biafran government have already budgeted how to develop your land. Because for most of people who is so much ignorant, any time Biafra is declared, it's not going to take time. Your land will be developed. Your hospital, your schools, a lot of things are put in a place. They are not coming to rant today. Because when Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa we are showing you that everything, the budget that has been made, all of you people were ignorant of it. I mean, when the budget were made and it was online. If you check this page, let me say 2 or 3 months ago, you will see the budget. We posted everything. How hospitals are going to be developed, how road, light, everything have been budgeted by Biafran government. All of people keep on ignoring it because, Simon Ekpa and his boys. But one thing you refuse to understand is that Biafran government have been able to achieve a lot. They have been able to do. You people don't even know what Biafran government have been able to do for your life. As a Southeast person, let me say, as a person who is residing in Southeast, you don't even know what Biafran government have been able to achieve for you. You people don't know. Let me even ask a question. Do you know what it takes for a Biafran government? I mean, their soldiers, their armies, their air force. You people don't, before God and my people don't even know what Biafran government have been able to do for your life. As anybody residing inside East Nigeria. Because by now, every one of you people would have been cleaned up, would have been wiped away. Imagine how Biafran government is fighting every blessed day, losing their life to protect you. Ask yourself, who are these people that Biafran government or Biafran army always fighting, shooting face to face? Have you asked yourself, why are these people always doing this? Or who are these people always shooting at or shooting face to face? Have you people asked these questions? They are your enemies. When Nigerian government soldiers, or let me say, when Fulanis wearing Nigeria military soldiers, they might uniform carry AK-47 coming to kill you, Biafran government or their Biafran army will resist them. Have you even been able to ask yourself, Why would those who claim that they are governing you, as in, let me say, for example, Nigeria, you say Nigeria is your government, your whatever. Have you been able to ask yourself, why would the people who are supposed to be protecting me as a citizen is now killing me? Okay, let me even put it this way. Why would you that believe in Nigeria will be running from Nigerian soldier? Why would you who believe in Nigeria will be running from Nigerian police? But Biafran army, they are on the street. And our people will be welcoming them. I mean, most of them who understand that Biafra have come, you will see them being so much happy, celebrating them. But you that believe in Nigeria so much, when you see Nigerian police, you will be on the run. When you see Nigerian soldier, you will be on the run. But when you see Biafran army, you will even be like enter in their midst. You will be like jumping upon them. You will be like drinking with them. But it's just that they don't have that time. But if it happened that Biafran army, they have that time, you will go and celebrate. You will be going to drink, celebrating them. Now the question is, why do you actually? Because you are ignorant. You don't even know what you want. You love Biafra to the extent, even their army, you celebrate. You are happy seeing them when they are coming out, when they are passing by. You celebrate them. When you hear that Biafran army is so someplace, you are happy. You will be so much happy. Your heart will be so much in joy. Your heart will be so much, and you will be so much happy. Why would you do that? Because you don't know what you want. You are happy when you hear that Biafran army is so place. You are happy that, Biafran army passed this place today. You are happy that Biafran resistance or the Biafran soldiers, they passed by today. You are happy. But when you hear that Nigerian soldiers or police, they pass this road, that road, trust me, you will not pass that road for the whole day. So, why are you still being so much wicked yourself? You are happy for something. But in the other way around, you keep on ignoring those you are happy of. I don't understand. Who did that to you? So one thing I want you to understand today, as you people keep on ignoring the messages that people, of course, we are not in office. Every blessed day we are in roadside. Sometimes we stand anywhere talk to you. Only reason why I engineer you, because that reason why I'm important you. At the end of the day, you will find it. Because every single thing we have been telling you, you refuse it. Today, all of you have seen it. We have been telling you about Biafran government coming. All of you people neglected it. Or am I lying? You neglected it. Now we are not talking about Biafran government coming. Now we are not talking about Biafran government activities. Because when we are talking about Biafran government coming, all of you people ignore it. Simon Ekpa and his boy, Simon Ekpa and Dr. Pave, this is what you were telling us. Now we are no more talking about Biafran government coming. Now we are not talking about Biafran government activities. People always do. You always ignore everything we say. But at the end of the day, you come to realize, we have been saying it. They have been saying it. Biafran government have put a lot in a place. I want you to understand this today. How are they going to develop Biafran land? I want you to understand that Biafran government have already budget everything.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.